Hello, welcome back to Sushi Live Noding. In this episode, I'll be sharing with you this Spreadshop Nodes setup that allows you to create this kind of close-looking objects simply by drawing a contour using grease pencil. So if I select the grease pencil, go to draw, select different frames, and you can basically draw anything in any shape, and it's gonna generate the cloth for you. And this contour can be anything. You can make it like big and small, and draw big and small, and you can draw it multiple times, and hopefully it generates the cloth for you. Okay, so let's take a look. The setup is actually really quite simple. So it's basically what you draw here flat as a shapes will become a closed curve, and it becomes something that's these nodes, Spreadshop nodes, turn into closed by lofting. Okay, so first of all, I have this, as usual, I have this resampling nodes. Get the grease pencil frame, check the path length, and then just resample it, UV connection, blah blah blah, and then here I have a way to kind of move the cloth up, and then after I do that, okay, actually here I have something that's kind of rotating the cloth. This is not really not really necessary. I can just zero it out. So that's the center point, but don't worry about that. The next thing I have is the cubic spline, turning grease pencil curve or points into spline. And I have two different ways. The bottom one is the simpler method, just simply lofting it. The second one is turning it into NURBS surface, so I can have more control over the resolutions of the lofting. And yeah, this method is actually quite interesting, and then you merge it by distance, so the surface is connected together. And I have noise displacement here just as an example. You don't need to have the noise, you can just bypass that. And if we don't have this merge by distance, we can just again just bypass that, and you have this surface objects that's not connected. And here we can actually, if we use smoothing, you can see it's opening up because they are not connected. So it's just a basic lofting, but we do like resampling of the grease pencil, and yeah, it's all the ways until we loft it and turning it into surface. So this can be the base of cloth or like a terrain, mountain. The top and the bottom is actually open. Could be anything. Could be like a cookie or something. So normally the way I work, go to the top view. So this node will handle everything. Go to draw mode. I don't know, I could draw like something like a flower. Okay, the shape can be any shapes, but just be careful. Yeah, it could be something abstract like this, but I think it could form something. I mean, with a grease pencil, so far, I'm just only drawing this contour. Maybe you could have another grease pencil to draw the spine of the curve, to create the spine. So in the end, you might be able to create like a I don't know, like a character or creatures that's based on this. So a lot of potentials. I don't know what it is yet, but so if we use this noise displacement, we get that. We can subdivide it. We can add displacement, procedural texture, cloud. So this is secondary on top of the original. So let's see. We can go hard, Voronoi crackle. Direction normal. I have a feeling we need to turn on something here. Oh well. We can use the X, Y, or Z axis for displacement. If you like, from here you can duplicate it, just close the top and the bottom, and then remesh it. Once you remesh it, you can add different displacement or sculpt it further. But yeah, it's something that's basic, but you might be able to modify it for something else. So I'll give you the blend files at GitHub. Hopefully this is useful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.